How to fix Google Chrome application error, a client-side exception has occurred. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome application error, a client-side exception has occurred. Alright, so let's begin. You might get this error while trying to access a different web page. Now let's see how we can fix this. First, open your Google Chrome and go to these three dots. Here, select Help and go to About Google Chrome. You will be on this page. Here, check if your Google Chrome is up to date or not. If not, then simply update your Google Chrome, and after that you will see here a relaunch button. Just click on that and your problem will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix Google Chrome application error. A client-side exception has occurred. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.